This 2026 Keystone Montana 3100RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 35 feet 11 inches in length and features a OAKMONT interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, oven, air conditioning, refrigerator, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, spare tire kit, slide-out, TV, external shower, and 77 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Keystone Montana 3100RL is 15,030 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.